Garmin has been unusually quiet for the first half of the year, but it turns out they've just been holding their cards. Based on a massive wave of new leaks, Garmin is gearing up to drop not one but two completely different fitness trackers, the Vivosmart 6 and the highly anticipated screenless Garmin Cirqa. Let's start with the Vivosmart 6. According to a new report from Garmin Rumors, the unreleased tracker just appeared inside an official Garmin Connect survey. A reader spotted the Vivosmart 6 listed right alongside existing Garmin devices when answering questions about their primary fitness trackers. What makes this leak so interesting is that it comes directly from Garmin's own ecosystem. Products usually only start appearing in these internal surveys when development is completely locked in and they are preparing for launch and market positioning. This lines up perfectly with the metadata leaks we saw on regional Garmin sites earlier this year. The biggest rumored upgrade here is built-in GPS. The current Vivosmart 5 only supports connected GPS, meaning you still have to drag your phone along for a run. Standalone GPS on a band this size is a major shift. We are also expecting a jump to over 30 workout profiles, including wheelchair activity tracking, alongside improved sleep metrics, HRV support, and an upgraded display. Most industry rumors currently point to a Vivosmart 6 launch around May or June, sitting somewhere in the $150 to $180 price range. But what if you don't want another screen? Well, that is where the Garmin Cirqa comes in, and the conversation around this device has completely exploded. The Cirqa is Garmin's answer to the Whoop. It is a pure screenless recovery band designed to be worn 24/7. Leaked data from Garmin's own site previously confirmed it is shipping in two sizes and two understated colors: black and French gray. But the reason everyone is talking about the Cirqa today is because the market just shifted overnight. Google officially announced their screenless Fitbit Air for just $99, shipping on May 26. So how does Garmin respond? According to a deep dive published today by the 5K Runner, a leaked Ukrainian retail listing suggests Garmin isn't racing to the bottom. They are reportedly targeting a premium one-time purchase price point around $420 with core metrics free in Garmin Connect. Now, $420 sounds steep for a tracker with no screen, especially next to a $99 Fitbit. But as the 5K Runner points out, Garmin's entire strategy here is the anti-subscription model. They are going right after the Whoop user. At $420, your break-even point against a Whoop subscription is roughly 21 months. After that, the hardware and the Garmin Connect data are essentially free. Garmin is betting that their heavy users, the ones who already wear a Fenix or an Epix but want a discrete secondary band for sleep tracking or formal events, are willing to pay a premium upfront to avoid another monthly fee. Both the Vivosmart 6 and the Cirqa are looking at that same May or June release window. Garmin is clearly trying to lock down the entire fitness band market this summer, capturing both the traditional screen users and the 24/7 recovery crowd. The only question is, which camp are you in? Let me know down in the comments. Peace.